In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then click on biometrics and password. Select face unlock under screen lock and enter your current login method. Then you need to click on Start Inputting at the very bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Following that, tap on Done. And now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!